Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change password on Ionos. Now, once you logged into your Ionos dashboard, you can either come at the top and click on menu, and then just choose my account, or you could come at the top right, click on your profile icon, and then here you see logged in account security under which we have passwords. You can click here as well, but if you come through the menu option, you can also click here, so you can see logged in account security, passwords right here, click on show, and now we can go ahead and change our password, right? So this is when it was last modified. We'll click here on change password, and now I want you to just enter your new password, okay? And remember guys, you will be logged out of your Ionos account after you change your password, and then you just log in with your new password. So click here on change password, and then they will log you out. You just log in with your new password, and it's really that easy. And that is how to change password on Ionos.